In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder pages in Gamma site quickly and easily. If your site has multiple pages and you want to change the order they appear in, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Reordering pages is useful when you want your navigation to feel more organized, improve the flow of your site, or simply put your most important pages first. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Gamma site project and make sure you're inside the correct workspace or site deck that contains the pages you want to rearrange. Once you're in the project, look for the Pages panel. This is where Gamma lists all of your site pages in order, so you can see the current structure at a glance. Now find the page you want to move. Take a moment to identify where it is in the list and where you want it to go. Gamma makes this process simple because you don't need to copy, delete, or recreate anything. You just need to change the order by dragging the page to a new spot. Click and hold the page you want to move, then drag it up or down in the page list. As you move it, watch for the placement indicator so you know exactly where the page will land. If you want it higher in the navigation, drag it upward. If you want it later in the sequence, drag it downward. This works great when you're organizing a home page, about page, services page, contact page, or any other page in your Gamma site. Once the page is in the right position, release it to lock it into place. Gamma will automatically update the order in the Pages panel, and your site structure will reflect the new arrangement. If you made a mistake, you can simply drag it again until it looks right. After that, make sure to publish or update the site if needed. Depending on how your Gamma project is set up, the changes may need to be pushed live so visitors can see the updated page order. Always do a quick final check to confirm that the navigation appears exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've just learned how to reorder pages in Gamma site by opening your project, using the Pages panel, dragging the page into the new position, and publishing the update if necessary. It's a fast and simple way to keep your site organized and user-friendly. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Gamma tutorials and other software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.